Hi, I'm Dan Mcteague with Tomorrow's Gas Price Today television, and here to present you the week ahead as far as gas prices are concerned. So we're talking really from Wednesday, the 25th of September, all the way into, yes, the first days of October, dare I say it. We are going to be looking at prices remaining and, in fact, decreasing depending on where you are in the country. We've seen over the past couple of weeks prices drop from as high as more than 10 cents a liter, so it's been a very welcome change as a result of what's happened geopolitically with the situation in the Middle East coming to something of a thaw, Libyan crude production going back up. The situation on Syria looks less likely of a strike. And of course, we can't forget some détente with respect to Iran and its nuclear ambition. But let's start with Newfoundland. Newfoundland has seen some incredible price resistance. The government there seems to be of the view that it's okay not to pass on savings to consumers, but I think Wednesday and Thursday of this week they have decided that they're going to relent, and prices in fact have dropped today only and Thursday a full 5 cents a liter. So you're seeing prices now in St. John's of $1.20, $1.20.1, $1.20.9. Look for those prices to remain at that level for the following week as a result of their regulated system. Halifax, which has seen an almost 10 cent a liter decrease, and Nova Scotia as well, has also seen some pretty dramatic changes. They could see as much as a 4 cent a liter decrease come Friday, the 27th. New Brunswick, which of course has a regulated system, will also see prices drop 5.1 cents a liter. So if you're paying $1.26.9 in Moncton or in Fredericton or St. John, you'll find that those prices will be coming down to a lot more comfortable, $1.20.8 to $1.21 even. Quebec, well, we've seen prices decrease. And in Quebec City, for instance, where prices are $1.34.4, coming down from $1.34.6, they will go to $1.32.4, maybe even $1.31.9 by Monday or Tuesday. Same for Montreal. Montreal is looking at prices right now in the range of $1.33.9. Look for those prices to drop a full 2 cents a liter by Monday and a little perhaps after the weekend to $1.31.9. Maybe you'll see the odd place charging as little as $1.29.9, but that's really tempting it. Ontario, particularly Ottawa, London, Ontario, Windsor, Niagara Falls, the Niagara region, and all the way up into northern Ontario, look for an across-the-board decrease after Thursday, the 26th, of about a penny and a half to 2 cents a liter. And I say that because there is an increase Wednesday, the 25th of September into Thursday, the 26th of September, of some 1.1 cents a liter. Manitoba has seen incredible decreases, finally, because they've been hanging on to 15 cent a liter retail margins. They're now down towards 11, and that means that prices have gone this week and into next week from $1.22.9 down to $1.18.9, which is what it will be at most of the pumps for Thursday, September the 26th. We could see those prices drop yet another 2 cents a liter, and that will affect other vicinities, other areas where they've also seen decreases. And that, of course, we're referring to Brandon, we're referring to places like Steinbeck, and other places like Dauphin, which we do cover. Into Saskatoon and Saskatchewan in particular, but Saskatoon, we're going to see prices in that region dropping from $1.18.9 down to $1.16.9. Regina, which has seen stubborn prices at hovering around $1.22.4, look for a price decrease there of anywhere from 2 to 4 cents a liter, getting it down to the $1.19 range by next week. Alberta, well, we've seen prices remain again in the $1.11, $1.12, $1.09 range. So, for instance, in Calgary, it's been $1.11.9 for the past several days. Look for a 1 to 2 cent a liter drop by next week. As for Edmonton, same thing applies. They've been at around $1.09, $1.10. Look for those to drop to about $1.07, maybe even $1.08, maybe even $1.07. Now, British Columbia, we have a lot more cities to offer, and this is something I'll get to in just a moment. But for the time being, in the Kootenays, Kamloops, and of course Kelowna, that would be the Okanagan, you would need to look at prices in that range, probably dropping another penny to a penny and a half, particularly in Kamloops, where the retail margin is as little as 1 cent a liter, versus Kelowna, whereas it's as much as 11 or 12 cents a liter. So really, tale of two cities in the Okanagan. Now down further south, in Fernie, in Penticton, in places like Cranbrook, and of course other communities that we cover, Kimberley, prices have remained ridiculously high at $1.30 to $1.32.9. Just to put that in perspective, because the lower taxes are much lower than they are, say, in Victoria and Vancouver, the prices remain, with 12-cent retail margins. Those margins can certainly be squeezed a little bit without anybody losing their shirt, and to give consumers a break that I think reflects the wholesale price decreases in that region. Vancouver, prices will remain the same Wednesday into Thursday, probably a bit of a decrease Friday into Saturday, and of course on Monday and Tuesday. We'll see where it goes, but it could be as low as $1.33, $1.34. So overall, a penny and a half, if we're lucky, decrease in Greater Vancouver, save and except, of course, Langley, where the price has no retail margin, and which is always, as we know, notwithstanding the taxes, etc., usually about 6 cents to 7 cents a litre lower than Vancouver. Victoria, we've seen prices drop there a penny, but frankly, anybody who is cheering what's going on in Victoria right now through sites like Gas Buddy should really think twice about that, simply because they're paying an 11 to 12 cent retail margin premium there. Prices should be $1.22, $1.23. And remember, Vancouver Island, Victoria has a tax that's 4 cents cheaper than Vancouver. So the fact it's $1.31 or $1.32 when Vancouver's at $1.34 and $1.35 means someone's making a lot of money in Victoria, and that happens to be, unfortunately, the retailers who are controlled by the major companies supplying through barge in that area. Well, that's the wrap-up for the week, but I wanted to point out that in the past 2 weeks, we've been busy improving tomorrowsgaspricetoday.com. Not only are we giving you the one-day prediction, we have the 2-day future forecast, and we have the 1-week forecast. We're darn accurate on those things, but we've decided that we're also going to add an extra 30 cities as you've requested. And so those are now implemented. We cover over 225 cities across Canada, and our friends and followers will be happy to know more is yet to come, and that could be very soon. So we won't be just talking about where prices are going to the next day. Perhaps we'll be a little bit better on the when those prices and where you can find those cheaper prices. But I'm Dan Mcteague, for now, signing off until the first week of October. Look forward to seeing you next week to save you even more money. Take care. Safe driving.